Let me just move on to the first setup, which is the euro US dollar. Okay, euro US dollar. Okay, remember what I said with the euro US dollar and the dollar index, they move exactly the same, but in just a like a different how can I put it, in a different manner. When the rand is going up, the rand is going down in the opposite manner. Yeah, that's what I wanted to say. Okay, let me just move on quick to the 1 week time frame so you guys are able to just see this beautiful downward trend from the euro USD. This is the major structure. This beautiful downward trend, nothing complicated from it. You can simply see it's forming beautiful lower lows and lower highs, lower lows. You can see your lower highs, your lower high, your lower high. And you can see your lower lows, lower lows, lower lows. And we're expecting lower lows like within the next few, I don't know, but it can take maybe a few, like like let's say next year, somewhere around there, can you see? But I don't want us to be looking at such future targets. I just want us to focus on what we can capitalize from. I'm while waiting for those big moves. And just moving down to the daily time frame. Just by moving down to the daily time frame, you can simply see this beautiful descending structure here. Okay, you can simply see this beautiful descending structure here. And someone would say the market is ranging. They can't take any trade here because the market is ranging. For us, our strategy, it allows us to take trades even when the market isn't giving us opportunities, because we're able to make opportunities out of nothing. Because take a look at this. This is a beautiful impulse to the downside, and the market started giving us this corrective nature somewhere around here. Can you see? It started here and just all the way, it was just giving us corrective natures. But doesn't mean that we don't have to place any trades around here. That it doesn't mean that. What it simply means is that we should just understand what the market is doing and try to make an opportunity out of nothing, which is why we are seeing this beautiful descending type pattern. And understanding the market, we simply understand that price has to, just like what I said with the dollar index, price has to simply, this is our first touch, second touch, give us a third touch somewhere around here. On the end, this is the daily. You should remember, né? It's the daily. Price should give us a third touch at the support line, because you can see multi-touch confirmations. Remember to go through your video lessons. First touch, second touch, third touch around here, then go back up. So this is a move that we're anticipating in the longer run. Okay, then go back up and although maybe up to here, because you can simply see there's a descending type pattern. Okay, so now yes, this move to the upside is going to be a bigger trade, but doesn't mean that we have to leave all the trades that present themselves. Like taking a look at it, you understand that price is going to go all the way down to here. So can't you at least bank a few percentage and make something out of nothing? You know, can't you at least bank something from this? Which is why I want us to drop to the 4-hour time frame. And to quickly say something with this one, you can simply see on how important structure is, because if you take a look at this is a descending type pattern. This bigger structure is descending, and even the structure within it is descending. So meaning that descending, it simply means that price is going to break to the upside. So when the structure within the structure is descending, and even the bigger structure, this is just price telling you that the heavier momentum is going to be to the upside anytime from now, like anytime soon. You know, expect that move. Do you get it? Expect that move. Don't ignore that move, but doesn't mean that you don't have to take trades that present themselves. Okay, because even what can happen here too is that you can just simply go up, give us a third touch here, and go down, third touch, then go up. You know, things like this are possible. You have to be you have to allow your mind or be able to see different scenarios that can happen. Okay, let me just drop onto the 4-hour time frame. Okay, with the 4-hour time frame, there we go, just like this. Okay, with the 4-hour time frame, you can simply see this beautiful descending type pattern. This is a beautiful structure that we're taking a look at here, because if you take a look at it, This is our first touch of the support area. This is our second touch. So anticipating at least a third touch somewhere around here. Okay, somewhere around here. So basically we're expecting price to start moving all the way down, and then somewhere around here it gives us the third touch here, then go back up. And even if you take a look at it, that same area that I'm speaking about is a, let me just do this quick. That same area that I'm speaking about is a support area at the daily time frame. Can you see? The same area is the support. So basically we have like a lot of support areas. The daily time frame is telling us that it's support third touch, and even the 4-hour time frame is telling us that it's the third touch somewhere around here. So this area here is very, very strong. That's why we believe that going down with it is going to give us a few more percentages, okay, instead of just waiting for the trade to go to the upside with it. And understanding the market, you can simply see in our resistance of this descending pattern, your first touch, your second touch, and even one thing that we can expect is that if price doesn't continue going down, maybe it will want to give us a third touch somewhere around here and then go down. Or even a move like this is very much possible. A move like this, a move like this, okay, then a move like this, and then go all the way down. Also something like this is possible, okay. We just need to be able to see these moves, and we need to be able to plan for them ahead. So when they do come, we know already what to do, and it's not like the market is not fair and everything like that, okay. But for now, I was able to spot an entry that, let me just show you guys on the 1 hour time frame. I was able to spot an entry. Okay. Okay. Believing that this area here, if you take a look at it, this area was your lowest high. This was your lowest high. Started forming lower lows, lower high, lower lows. So I'm believing that somewhere around here, price shouldn't break these lower highs, because you do know that whenever price moves down, it has to create new lower highs. So anywhere from here, price should start to go like reverse